Hey guys, I'm Phaye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Phaye. I just said it, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is the final Valentine's makeup look. I wanted today's tutorial to be a very simple look. For the people who are beginners at doing makeup, you can just do this and look snatched for your Valentine's date. So if you like the sound of that, like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload, and comment down below and tell me what kind of makeup look you would want to see next. Also, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Hey guys, so we're going to start with the eyebrows, and just take your spoolie and brush your eyebrows to just set them in place. Take your eyebrow pencil. I'm using the Davis one in the shade 040, and just use that to fill in your brows. And I have a very detailed eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to put it in the cards and in the description. I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows with concealer. Yeah, just to make it look nice and neat. My eyebrows are done. They are as similar as they're going to get. So let me just prime my eyelid. I am using concealer to prime my eyelids, and I'm using Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 40. So let me just blend this out. For me to be able to get a very nice and clean smoky liner, I have put some tape right here just to make it, easier. And as I put eyeshadow, it's going to be in the shape that I want my liner to be. So after that, I just remove the tape. So this is a trick also. If you want to do eyeliner and you're not so good at it, you can always put some tape like this and just go in with your eyeliner, and you can be as messy, because after that you just remove the tape and your eyeliner is going to be nice and clean and defined. Oh, and also, after you've taken your tape, before putting it on your face, just put it on your hand somewhere on your skin, just to make it less sticky. Okay, so now both my eyes have tape around them. I'm going to take a black pencil. I'm using the Davis one. And yeah, it's in the number 1, but it's black, so just get a black pencil, whichever. And then next, you're going to take this. You're going to take a black eyeshadow. The one I'm using is this one right here. It's called Midnight. Actually, I found out that this palette, the shadows have names. Yeah. So I'm not going to I'm not going to be saying, oh, I'm using this dark brown, then this light one. I'm just going to read the names, because the names are here at the back. And the palette I'm using is Cara Beauty Duo Palette. Let There Be Magic. So yeah, so let me take I'm going to take this black one, put it just where you've put your liner. I'm not sure if the liquid liner will work the same for this eyeshadow look, so just use an eyeshadow pencil. Once you've put on your liner, you're going to take a dark brown. I'm using this one, which is called Magical Point, and I'm just taking that to smoke out that liner. Because we want to achieve a nice smooth gradient, so just take your time and blend that out. After that, I'm going to take brown right here. It's called Tan. And once that is done, I'm going to take a very fluffy brush. Next, just take a lighter eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in with On Fleek, which is this one right here, and just put it on my lid, just the inner part, just to brighten up my eyelids. Nothing fancy, not a cut crease, just to brighten it up. Yeah, just like that. And I'm going in with a flat brush. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in just so you can see exactly how the liner looks. And I think that's it for my eyeshadows. Now you can really see how my eyeshadow look has turned out. Let me now go and do my face. Today I am not really going to prime because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing this makeup look to show you, and then maybe take some photos and just remove it. So I'm going to go first in with contour. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, this one in the shade Dark Cocoa, to contour my face. Let's just blend this out. I'm going in with this brush. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just The concealer that I am using is the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 40. So I'm putting on some blush just to put some color on my face. I'm now going to set my makeup, and the setting powder I am using is this one, Sacha Buttercup. So I've just put on lashes and I've winged out the inner part of my eye. Let me just put some eyeshadow on the lower part of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to do my lip. I'm going to use a maroon lip liner just to outline my lips. I had forgotten to put on highlights, so let me just do that real quick. I'm going to go in with a maroon lip liner to just outline my lips. Then, just to deepen this maroon color, I am going to take the brown pencil, and I'm just going to go on the outer parts. The pink gloss I'm going to be using is this one, so let me just put it on. I just put my hair in a puff and put on some earrings, and this is the finished look for today's tutorial, my third Valentine's makeup look. So I hope you really enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. Yes, comment and give me your feedback, tell me the kind of makeup look you would want to see next. Follow me on my Instagram at Phaye Mailu and on TikTok at Phaye Mailu. Okay, so that's it for today. Till next Friday. Bye, guys!